Pharmacy Federation. So for today's presentation, today is a research category. So for today's presentation, I'm happy to introduce Dr. Tahur Gurjit Singh, Associate Dean from Chitakara University, Punjab. Ms. Rituraj Gaur, Principal, Aishwarya College of Pharmacy, Rajasthan. And Dr. B. Wilson, Dayananda Sagar University, Bangalore. So we'll welcome you all. So over to Chavi to continue.
Good evening to all the evaluators, and thank you, Dr. Kailrajan, for starting the poster presentation for 7-day and all the participants. So I would request all the participants and evaluators to switch on their camera when they are speaking and a good internet connectivity. If you're not having a good internet connection, then you will be given a chance at the end.
Good evening, ma'am. I am audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay.
You can continue with the presentation.
Thank you, sir. So, very good evening, everyone. I am Kanan, Research Scholar, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, College of Pharmacy. So first, I would like to thank Pharmanest for providing the wonderful opportunity for me to presenting the e-poster. My topic is phytochemical constituents of curcuma langa. It is a curcuma langa is nothing but turmeric. Is again coronavirus. First, the introduction. So early 2020 is many scientists are asking to discover novel drugs and vaccines. So now there's so many vaccines are available, but all the vaccines are under the clinical trial 3. But get the approval from the some government authorities and FDA, WHO like this. So it is coronavirus is a life-threatening viral disease. Is affected by first in China and spread through the world. And the current status of coronavirus in the survey of May 30th, the worldwide the case affected in 12.7 crores and death wise is 36.9 lakhs. And in India, is a COVID case is 2.84 crores and death rate is 3.38 lakhs. Mainly, I am focusing my aim of this studies to the natural compounds is active against the coronavirus. So, by first, that is the initial studies for the in silico. The in silico studies have performed by Explorer binding the modes of chemical compounds, the natural products of curcuma langa by using Schrödinger tool. By that is the glide models and in silico admit screening by using quick probe models and binding the energy of calculation was calculated by the MMGBSA model. So material and methods. The first, that is a 3D crystal structures of COVID-19 protein. That is a main protease receptor co-crystallized with 6 ethyl aminopyridine and 6 carbonitrile. That is protein beta lactam. That is the 5R82. That is the resolution for 1.314 angstrom by using Schrödinger shoe. By the first step, preparations of protein. That is the protein is like that is the Lipinski files by using the bonding order, addition of hydrogen and deleting of water molecules, and beyond the 5 angstrom. By next step by using protein minimizing performed by the opticalized protein, that is a +3, that is manipulation group, and post-docking energy minimized by MMGBSA. The result part that is I'm using that is a standard hydroxychloroquine sulfate and nelfenolin and remdesivir. Okay, that is a guide score. That is a standard drug for hydroxychloroquine is -5.47 and nelfenolin is 5.93 and remdesivir is -6.38. Okay. So my logging result, that is a logging result, is responsible for T4-3C, that is a cyclocurcumin. It is a glide score is -6.77. This is more than standard wet, and second one is the DPHA. This is a dihydroxy methoxyflavins. CU is curcumin. There is a 6.23 and 6.13. There is a, these all are my compound glide score. Next, I focus for result and conclusion. That is the in silico structure by using Empressed present in the investigation. So further the investigations in vitro and in vivo assessment. So mainly my conclusion is cyclophosphamide and curcumin is active against the coronavirus. Conclusion, final conclusion, turmeric in our diet regularly is useful for medical prevention of pneumonia. This is my basic research. My PhD also COVID virus. After that, that is the same molecular docking levels. So after that, I focused for in vitro models and in vivo models. But in vivo models still is not exact. In vitro models are available by using the cell culture and viral infection. That is the video cells and the DNA generation and attack and real-time RT-PCR assay and cytotoxic assay. Hello. Yes. Hello. Hello. My voice is on. Hello.
Yes, sure.
Oh, that's all.
Sir, please
Hello.
proceed with the question.
Ma'am?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
No. Okay. Hello.
Like you have conducted the
Sir?
in silico study, like on right now we are not in the condition that we can do for that preclinical studies on COVID-19. Why not you perform the molecular dynamic
Yes,
and
sir.
ADME studies?
ADMET studies also completed, sir. Hello.
You have
Sir,
performed the
my
molecular
voice is
dynamic
audible?
studies and toxicity studies, in silico toxicity studies or molecular dynamic studies. You have done the docking studies.
Yes. Sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Hello. Hello, sir. Sir, your voice is not audible, sir. Hello. Hello. My voice is audible.
Yes, yes, you can proceed.
Yes. Sir, but our voice is not audible, sir.
So he asked about why you are not performed ADMET studies and molecular dynamic studies.
Sir, molecular dynamic studies we are performed with, using the standard drugs like Nelfenaware and Remdesivir like this. So after that, my this same like my PhD previous work. So after that, I do everything like in vitro, in vivo, and living.
I'm asking on behalf of Ritura's ma'am. People are using many home remedies for curing this COVID situation, including the turmeric in preparation.
Yes. Hello. Hello.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yes. Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah, I am
So
asking.
actually, a lot of
on,
nowadays so many home remedies are available, sir. But my main aim is focusing for particular active constituents like is a turmeric, have everything curcumin and cyclocurcumin like that. So we have focused on the specific phytoconstituent is act against the coronavirus like that, sir.
Okay, and what are the major side effects of using excessive amount of turmeric?
Turmeric, no, sir, because still no side effect for turmeric excessive use. I think so, sir. Because
There are
anyone is
studies.
no,
You have studies in your report.
no, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Sorry, sir. Audible, sir.
Yes.
Ah.
I want to ask one thing. That T4 cyclocurcumin that you isolated or you
Hello. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
That T4.
Ah, yes, sir.
T4 cyclocurcumin isolated or
Sir,
you
voice.
synthesized?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Now, am I audible now? Can you hear me?
No, sir. Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Ah, yes, sir. Audible, sir. Ah, yes, sir.
My question is,
Ah.
you said T4 cyclocurcumin.
Okay.
So that is what you use for the
Yes, sir.
studies. So that you isolated from curcuma, or you synthesized?
No, sir. Actually, that is
Chemical
available form is
synthesized.
directly. Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. Sir, that is a cyclo.
No, what is the rationale behind
Hello, sir.
choosing this? What is the rationale behind choosing this T4
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Not audible.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
It's maximum sound I'm giving.
Hello, sir.
Wilson, sir, you are audible. Issue from the candidate side.
No, sir.
Okay. Then another thing what I want to clarify is, see, that
Okay,
study, you just used hydroxychloroquine for comparison, isn't it? But now that drug is not
Yes,
used
yes.
for COVID-19. So how
Yes, sir. This is the yearly. That is the earlier. That is June 2020. That time we are conducting that study, sir. Because that time using for hydroxychloroquine also. So after that only they are announced hydroxychloroquine induced arrhythmiasis. So that's why WHO and it's not recommended to use the COVID, sir.
Okay, what type of dosage form you are planning? Yes,
Sir, actually, yes, sir. Sir, actually, I plan to natural first to complete the docking studies by using ADMET screening like that. So after the confirmations of hit compound to synthesis or isolation. So natural compounds is maximum for isolation. So after the isolation the compound is available mean directly purchase and do the in vitro models by using various cells and DNA generation and the Tachman real RT-PCR assay and cytotoxic assay like that. But still in vivo models are not available. So I can plan to complete these all are the things and make one formulations by using a regularization medicine like this.
Okay, fine. That's all from my side.
Okay, sir.